Hey YouTube, it's Aqua, and I'm here to show you how to record camera with audio playing with video. So sometimes you have to play a song and and when you play the song, it doesn't work until you have no sound on, right? And the camera works. I'm going to show you what it does. So okay, I found an instrumental that I just put on here. Shout out to Magic Beats for the instrumental. Shout out to Mark Generous. You already know what it is. So we have this beat here. We're gonna put it on here. All right, we're gonna go to Instablam. All right, we're gonna go to the camera. Let's go to story. All right, as you can see, we still have the music on. All right, the music is still playing, and we're able to record with video. Right? And okay, so not only that, let's play. As you can see, the song is still playing while the video is recorded. So this is probably the best way that I know how to record audio while recording a video. So definitely check this out. You must install Instagram and then go to your camera. You don't have to upload. You can keep it like this. Hit the three dots, hit save. It's in your gallery. After that, you can post it anywhere else.